Hello, good afternoon. My name is Anthony Davis, and I just want to say that I am really happy to be here in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida, participating in the Soka Gakkai Nichiren Buddhist Conference for the descendants of people of African origin. This has been a wonderful conference, and it has really helped me in terms of my identity as an African American, applying these wonderful Buddhist principles and the practice of Buddhism, namely chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, with a complete and full practice that has allowed me to continue to transform all the obstacles in my life, those related to being a person of African descent, and the ability to really accomplish all of my goals and dreams.